Hey everyone, today we got our glowing horns and now we are gonna put them on the buggy and the quad. Let's go!
Let's check how they shine.
Okay. There are different modes too. I think we still need to set that up. But they look cool.
Alright, let's start.
Yep.
I think we should split them like this. And first attach the mount. Hold on, I will grab a wrench. Try this one instead. Stop, that's enough. It's already spinning. Now the second one. But first put on the washer.
Turn.
Now give me the wrench.
Here.
Now we need to pick which one is right and which is left. But I guess it doesn't matter. Let this one be on the right. Put it on. And this one on the left. Now we need a 10mm wrench. Move the seat forward.
All the way forward.
Yeah, is it all the way?
Yeah, looks like it.
Take off this cover and put it on the seat. Now with this wrench unscrew this bolt and this one. Here you go. Red goes here.
Got it in.
Tighten the bolt. Now the second one. Alright, the power is connected to the battery. And our horns are already glowing.
Looks okay.
Let's find green.
Yeah, this one.
There are more green options too.
From the front it looks cool. I like it.
Now we need to secure the cable with zip ties. Like this.
Okay, we finally fixed everything.
This is how it looks with the car lights. Later we will go out and check it outside.
Okay.
Turning it off and moving on to the quad.
Yeah.
One goes right here. and the second one goes here.
Now,
Put the horns on.
just like this.
And now the hardest part. We need to figure out where to run the cables.
Under the seat?
My battery is in the front.
Oh, an acorn.
So well, we already pull one cable, one more left.
Let's hook it with this wrench. From here.
Let's do it. Wait, give me the cable. Okay, pull it through.
And connecting it.
Yeah, only need to plug it in now. Connecting red to the battery. And now the black one.
Oh, it lit up. Yay! Now we just need to put the seat back.
Let me do it.
How does it lock in here?
There are more options on the phone. We need red. Oh, red tail.
From bottom to top.
Turn the ignition key.
Oh, nice.
So are we doing a test drive?
Yeah, let's go. First place, showstopper, all eyes on me. Body team, now he wanna sit me. You tight, gotta keep it squeaky clean. I never write back, always leave him on scene. Pretty face car on 10. Body right, got her looking.
Well, how do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. It looks cool.
Came out bright.
Agree. If you also liked our glowing horns, leave a like. Bye bye.
Bye.